All right, let's take a closer look at OASYS Institute of Technology, located in Musiri, Tiruchirappalli. Now, for your TNEA application, the first thing you need to note down is the code 3782. So what is OASYS all about? Well, it's a self-financing private college, and it's been around since 2009. The most important part here, it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. For students and parents, you know that means it follows the university's curriculum and standards, which is a really big deal in Tamil Nadu. Okay, let's get into the specifics. First, we'll cover the college's basic identity, and then we'll walk through exactly how the admissions work here. Here are the core facts you need to know. It's a self-financing institution, established back in 2009. This tells you it's got more than a decade of experience under its belt, but it's also modern enough to understand today's engineering landscape. So how do you get a seat? The process is very clear. All admissions happen through the single-window counseling system, which is, of course, the Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions, or TNEA. Now, this is something you'll want to pay close attention to. The seats are split into two categories. A solid 65% come under the government quota, meaning they're filled based on your TNA rank. The remaining 35% are for the management quota, which gives the college some direct say in their admissions. All right, moving on. Let's talk about what you can actually study at OASYS. We'll look at the courses they offer and, just as importantly, the official approvals they have. This is non-negotiable for any engineering college, and OASYS has it covered. The college is approved by the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. This is the national body that ensures quality in technical education, so this approval is a must-have. So how big is the intake? The college has a total approved intake of 360 seats for its undergraduate programs. This gives you a good idea of the batch size you'd be a part of each year. The college focuses on 5 of the most fundamental branches of engineering. You've got the in-demand choices like computer science and ECE, and also the core engineering disciplines, electrical, mechanical, and civil. College is about so much more than just the classrooms and labs. So let's take a look at what life is like on campus at OASYS, from facilities to the kind of support you can expect. For students who'd be moving from other towns, this is a key point. The college does provide hostel facilities. And yes, there are separate hostels available for both boys and girls, right on campus. What about commuting for day scholars? That's sorted too. The college runs its own bus services, which is a huge convenience for students traveling from Musiri and other nearby areas. Now, this is a really important slide for parents thinking about finances. Students here can apply for a number of government scholarship schemes depending on their eligibility. These cover different community categories, and there's also the very popular First Graduate Scholarship. And now we come to the big question, the one on every single student's and parent's mind. What happens after the 4 years of engineering? Let's talk about placements. To handle this, the college has a dedicated placement and training cell. Think of this department as the bridge between your education and your first job. They're the ones who prepare you for interviews and bring companies to campus. So, which companies come here? Well, the college lists some of the biggest names in the IT industry as their recruiters. We're talking about giants like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, and Cognizant, exactly the kind of companies many engineering graduates hope to start their careers with. Just so you know, all the information we've shared today has been gathered from the college's own website and official government portals, and it's all current as of April 2026. We hope this straightforward look at OASYS helps you in your college selection process. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12 to engineering decisions.